Hello everyone, this is another unboxing video. This is a hard disk drive adapter, the USB adapter to connecting the computer, kind of using it as the external hard drive for both 3.5 and 2.5 inch hard drive or SSD equivalent, as long as it has SATA port. Okay, this is the, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. This is the main unit. As you can see, this has two slots, A, B. Excuse me. Okay, and if you look at it, there is a port here. Let me try to zoom in for you. This is the SATA port. And this is slot for the 2.5 inch, the one that widely used before, and now is going to fade up this kind of 2.5 inch hard drive or SSDs. Let's go this one, and this is the full size 3.5. and 12 volt DC, and this is a USB type C, and this is on off switch, and here is some information. Maybe, and there is indicator lights here, and maybe this is for the starting. Okay, now let's see what's else in the box. There is a USB cable type C and power adapter, and small guide. There's a small light here. Okay. The mother brand is Unitech. We will see. I hope this works. Okay, thank you.